How's it going? I'm gonna do a project today, so I would like you guys to join me. Let me show you what I'm gonna do. If you don't know me, I'm Gail, and I do random projects around the house. I buy and sell stuff. I just do all kinds of random things, and this particular one is a room makeover. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Smash the like button if you can, because that's how people find out about the channel. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. Okay, here's the room. It's kind of small. Like, here's the door I just walked through. Okay, but I had a day bed here, right here. And I'm going to put a full bed here. These, I don't think they'll fit under the bed, so I'm gonna put back them. Maybe for decor, but all of these are shipping boxes. And some of this is also inventory. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is clear out the room. Here is the room emptied out. That's it. This is it. This is grout haze. So I've got to clean that, but I've also got to clean the baseboards because when they did the tile, they got stuff all over it. Isn't she cute, Chloe? Okay, so you can see it's on the door as well. Before I get to doing the trim and cleaning it, I'm going to do the floor first. I'm gonna sweep. I have a carpet cleaner that I'm gonna add some hot water and vinegar in it and then use that with the little scrubby things to clean this floor. That way it'll spit the water out really good and suck it up and dry pretty fast. I also have a steam mop. I will probably go back after this, once it dries, the second time with a steam mop and get that like extra heat added to it. All right, I am super happy. This came out very good and very clean. Now I'm going to remove that, all the attachments, the door knobs, and then I'm going to get ready to start painting the door and trim. I've already wiped down the baseboards with the liquid deglosser to get them ready for paint. I've also got these down, the blinds are down, and it's ready for painting. This house, I thought the trim was white, but when you look at it compared to this socket, it's clearly not white. It makes it look dingy. Okay, so I have the bright white trim, and this is the color. From what I can see here, it looks kind of blue, but in person it's more of a green color. So it's one of those colors. But for the most part, it's good. So now I'm going to do the trim, which I'm not really looking forward to. I kind of like to paint, but man, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Today my goal is just to trim indoors, tomorrow paint. So I'm gonna have to change my clothes because I can't mess up my cowboy shirt. Got the switch plates off. I'm ready to start the trim. I'm done with coat number 1 of the trim and doors. Most of this is pretty much dry already. It dries pretty quickly, surprisingly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the coat. I basically started here, went around the room to the other door, just, you know, and check this out. I'm so creative and I try to make my life easier. This dolly here, and I just scoot along the edge and trim. That way, I don't have to squat, bend, get up, get down, all that. I just use my feet to scoot. Sometimes I just surprise myself. Ooh, the trim is dead. Check it out. Not too bad. Not too bad. The doors are white. Trim is white. We're good to go.
Okay, it's time to paint around all the trim, windows, and the doors.
I was going to show you with a paint pad. I use this to get relatively close. I don't roll the rollers on it. I'm using a Wooster brush 2 or 2.5 inch, and it's got this rubber thing, which is real helpful. Mostly angling it, and I'm letting the very tips of the bristles go. So when I put extra paint on here, that's too much for there, so you just kind of rub it on the wall to kind of get all the excess off, but you're also painting, so that's good. And then you go back when you've got still paint on the brush, but not a whole glob, because that will definitely end up getting on the baseboard. So I have everything trimmed, including the window frame and all around the edges, any corners, above the doors, any nooks and crannies, as well as around these switch plates. So now all I have to do is roll it on. That's the next step.
Okay, so it's a lot slower than what you're seeing on the screen, but I started from one side of the room and went all the way around until it was done. I actually did 2 coats that didn't show it, but it looks pretty good. So now let's see what the room looks like after I've decorated it. So I got all the decorations from different places, from Pier 1 to Ross to Marshall's and Hobby Lobby, of course. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and let me know what you think of the new room. I'm totally excited about it and absolutely love it. It's so refreshing. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.